Hey, good afternoon, folks. Recently I'm trying my hand at making my own surface lures for fishing. I've got this one here started. That's going to be one of the ones that kind of swims along like that in the water. This morning here I started working on another design. There's no power tools here. I use a whittling knife and whittle it till I get it down to about where I want it, and then kind of sand it a little bit. But anyway, it dawned on me that I didn't have a drill to drill into these lures to put the little eye screws in so that I could put the treble hooks and split rings on. So a couple days ago, I can't believe how fast these guys are, but yeah, I ordered a couple of days ago. I ordered a little micro hand drill kit, and let me see if I can get this open. I don't even know. Okay, get all these drill bits with it. It came with these rings for something here. I don't know what for, and little screws. I don't know if you can see them or not. Not sure what I'm going to use those for, but it came with them. And then it came with a whole package of drill bits. And let's see here. I just got this in. I haven't even opened it yet. You guys are opening it with me. There's the little hand drill. This end just spins. So you can hold that and spin the drill bit. There's your little chuck. Put the bit in. So you can really do some fine work with that on little hobbies. And let me see here. Let's put that aside for now. It also came with this nice little vise. And these little feet to hold your projects in place. It's got 4 feet, 4 screws. And I guess you just, let's see here. I'm just putting the things in for now. You got different positions that you could put them in. I'm just throwing them on there so you can see what it looks like. I'm not going to screw them all the way in right now. Alright, I think I got her about done. So it can hold your project for you while you're working on it. It's metal. It's not the most expensive vise. It's not even, I don't know, it's a cheap vise, but for what its intended purpose is, it's going to work fine for me. Anyway, I ordered this off of Amazon, and I'll post a link in the comments in case anybody's interested in getting themselves one. I don't even know who makes this. This is the box it came in. I don't work for this company. I don't know anybody that does. This is just my personal opinion on this little set. And so far I'm pretty impressed with the little the little set for 20 bucks. I think it cost me $20.55 with shipping. And well, my wife and I have Amazon Prime, so we get free shipping. Anyway, folks, now I need to go out and get some little wood eye screws and some treble hooks and split rings. I still need to sand these down further and paint them, and then I'll take them out and I'll see if I can't catch a fish with them. Well, folks, I thank you for watching. I hope you're all doing great. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. Take care.